Hello everyone and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. In today's lesson we will learn how to tell the time using the 12-hour system. There are 24 hours in a day. These 24 hours are divided into two periods lasting 12 hours each. The first 12-hour period, called AM, which translates into anti-meridian, runs from midnight to noon. We call this the morning. The second period, called PM, which translates into post-meridian, runs from noon to midnight. We call this the afternoon and evening. Let's have a look at the clock. Starting from the morning till noon. It's 12 a.m. It's midnight. It's 1 a.m. It's 2 a.m. It's 3 a.m. It's 4 a.m. It's 5 a.m. It's 6 a.m. It's 7 a.m. It's 8 a.m. It's 9 a.m. It's 10 a.m. It's 11 a.m. Great. Let's have a look now at the clock starting from noon till midnight. It's 12 p.m. It's midday. It's noon. It's 1 p.m. It's 2 p.m. It's 3 p.m. It's 4 p.m. It's 5 p.m. It's 6 p.m. It's 7 p.m. It's 8 p.m. It's 9 p.m. It's 10 p.m. It's 11 p.m. Good job. Let's now see some examples. Linda, what time do you leave for school? I leave for school at 7:45 a.m. Excuse me, what time do you close the shop? We close at 9 p.m. Matt, is Amy still sleeping? No, she woke up at 6:20 a.m. and left for work. I like to go for a run at 8 p.m. every night. Great. Let's see these examples once more. Linda, what time do you leave for school? I leave for school at 7:45 a.m. Excuse me, what time do you close the shop? We close at 9 p.m. Matt, is Amy still sleeping? No, she woke up at 6:20 a.m. and left for work. I like to go for a run at 8 p.m. every night. Well done everyone, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please download the link below for your exercises. Bye bye.